sat sitting in the middle of your nest. Then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the rushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads so soft and downy, their baby pods all golden browny, the beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little ducklings walking round in a line. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood. Those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in style.
Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
How's the mother to be?
She'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I've been better off pairing with a decoy.
I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous father when the family arrives.
Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Deck me out of his responsibilities.
How much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be up by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes run by that self-satisfied stork, and she said half a month. But 2 weeks is up.
Oh well, the best things come to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring, it's exactly the same.
What'd you think of all the rewards, all those lovely little ducklings?
All those beaks to feed,
Waking up at all hours,
getting into deep water.
attracting unwanted admirers, like the cat.
Why do we put ourselves through it?
'Cause when you hear that dimple dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble. Then watch their maiden voyage out from the bay.
Like champagne corks, you'll see them bobbing,
Accompanied by mothers sobbing,
believe
thanks to be nature's nobody say. It's the joy. Oh, prepare yourself, Ida.